This is the elevator at the Crane Building in the Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In case 59 elevators and in case 5 elevators are out of service. This restriction will notice but modernized by Otis Series 2 fixtures. Regular California down button. See, you'll notice. Basement's locked, so that's why I pressed up to 6. Show you up. Original motor, I believe. You're at 6. Oops. That is an awfully strange place for the in case of fire sign. I'll go back down 1, see basement's locked. ADA phone, carburetor, just green. Certificate, and this was also installed in 1965. I looked on and off camera. Base stainless steel cab. I think this shaft was out to the building because there's windows in it. Right one? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this has the original motor.